Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ferro token. F-E-R-R-O is the name of the token. Ticker symbol is F-E-R, FER. This token is being listed on a central exchange. The Ferro protocol is the full name of this token, and the project. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it from this new listing here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Ferro Protocol token. So it was just announced basically on Mexc Global's 2 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter. They at Mexc_global. You could follow them. It says M-Day is here. Let's celebrate with Ferro Protocol. Ready for 1.6 million Ferro tokens. Here's how to get token airdrops for free. So they have a new announcement here. So it says trading round is from February 11th to February 12th. And that is in the futures section here. And then they have airdrop time February 12th. And yeah, so this is basically a new announcement here that just got posted. So it says the Ferro project will be listed soon on the Mexc M-Day platform. Trade USDT-M futures and participate in the lucky draw and stand a chance to win fair prizes. The more you trade, the more tickets you get and the higher chance you have of winning. This is a registration trading round. After registration, if you continue to trade during the activity period and the trade conditions meet the rules, the numbers of lots, then the system will automatically increase the corresponding number of lots. You don't need to register again. There are 202,000 fair tokens set for users who did not receive any winning tickets, and it goes on about that. So basically, this token is a new listing here on Mexc Global. It'll be listed on here shortly. So this is the contest that's going on first, and spot trading will be. So they have the futures event first called M-Day. So if you don't want to get involved with that, that's fine. But shortly after, on February 15th, the day after Valentine's Day, this token will be listed on Mexc Global just for trading in the spot trading zone. So basically how you would get this token is you'd simply, well first, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the spot trading innovation zone anytime after February 15th, 8 o'clock UTC time. Search FER in the spot trading section, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So that's when it gets listed, is February 15th, 8 o'clock UTC time for trading. But this event starts tomorrow, February 11th, and goes until the 12th. So you can get involved with that if you like, or you could just wait until it actually gets listed here on Mexc Global. So what is this project all about anyways? So if you go over to their Twitter at Ferro Protocol, it says your trusted stable swap venue on Chronos. So that's what the project is all about here. You can head over to ferroprotocol.com and check out information on there. They have a document section on there. You could check that out as well. So they have a getting started guide if you want to get started with the protocol and use it. It says, as blockchain technology comes under the spotlight over the past few years, there has been tremendous growth in DeFi space and the boom of decentralized exchanges revolutionizing the way we trade and how prices are determined. As a group of faithful DeFi enthusiasts, we are delighted to see a vibrant market, but also understand the need to build products that overcome existing challenges and fit our needs. Therefore, we came together to set up Ferro, a stable swap automated market maker protocol with deep liquidity that aims to provide safe and efficient tradings for pegged assets with the spirit to solidify Kronos ecosystem. So Kronos, if you didn't know, that is the blockchain basically from Crypto.com. Crypto.com is huge, obviously sponsors things like the UFC, and I saw them at the World Cup and all over the place, right? So Ferro's stable curve pool offers a wide array of utility, allows better composability between protocols in Kronos, creates a more effective way to access stablecoins and other highly correlated assets with lower fees, lower slippage, lower impermanent loss, and more utilization of the pools. Money market protocols can list their interest-bearing token in Ferro, while any lower liquidity stablecoins bridged from other chains can leverage the meta pool, set up a bootstrap to the liquidity. So the key features of the Ferro protocol is number one, the Ferro swap supported tokens with low slippage and fees, and the liquidity pools. Supply liquidity in exchange for liquidity provider tokens to earn transaction fees proportionate to your contribution. So you can go over all of those things, the utilities here, like getting started. Like I said, they have guides for the Ferro swap, the Ferro pools. They also have Ferro staking on here. So the fundamentals of the Ferro team are on here. They have information about SDKs, their GitHub, tokens that are supported, the team wallets, frequently asked questions. They have a light paper and a white paper all available on here as well. So if you click on tokenomics, it says 14.5% of the Ferro token goes to the team, 0.5% public launch, 35% ecosystem reserve, 20% operations and partnership reserve, 30% incentives and liquidity management. So that's basically how the token is split up. You can lock up tokens and get XFR tokens in exchange. They have information about that on their white paper as well that you could check out. And they have a protocol roadmap on here as well too if you want to check that out. They talk about releasing things like an analytics page, auto compounding, rewards dashboard, first meta pool and more liquidity pools. All these types of things are on their roadmap. Basically ends 2023 and beyond, so it looks like they need to update the roadmap probably. But yeah, now I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Ferro Protocol token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token is being listed February 15th. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.